Good morning, students. It is the final topics. You know already we have studied the basic important macromolecules. Already studied. Introduction classes is over. Carbohydrates. What is the carbohydrates? Proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids are the macromolecules. What are the macromolecules? Carbohydrates, lipids are the carbohydrates, proteins, lipids are the major important macromolecules. So how the macromolecule metabolism is, how they are constructed, how they are destructed, how they are constructed, how they are destructed. We are already discussed carbohydrate metabolism, what kind of chemical compounds are present in a carbohydrate. We are already discussed. Similar fashion, proteins, how they are composition, how their destruction is takes place. We are already discussed. So now last topic in the final area, that is the lipids. What is the topic? Lipids. So generally lipids, what is the definition of lipids? Fats and derivatives are called as lipids. Fats and their derivatives collectively called as lipid. Generally the lipid word is used for the blower. Who is the using generally? Blower is commonly used as lipid. Name is introduced by the blower. What is the lipids? Fats and their derivatives all are come under lipids. So lipids are also made by carbon compounds. Already know carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Only three important elements are present in the lipid sample. You know already in the carbohydrates only three molecules. That is the carbon, hydrogen, oxygen only present. Similar pattern here also carbon, hydrogen, oxygen only present in the wherein lipids also. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. Three compounds are present only in the lipids. So through these three compounds, numerous substances are formed. So you know already now listen to the so now CH3, CH2, 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 CH2. So in this what happened here, in every lipid molecules, two important parts are present. So one is head. What is head here? CH3 is called as head. So remaining CH2 parts come under tail. Every fat molecule, two parts are present. There is a head and tail. Like that. Generally in the diagram, the fat diagram is described as like this fashion. You know already different diagramical representations. So that is the plasma membrane or the mitochondrial membrane or any other membranes are made by general lipids only. So when the lipid means two parts are there, that head, tail. Head is generally hydrophobic, tail is hydrophilic. Hydrophilic nature containing molecule is called as fats. Fats contain how many parts? Two parts are there, head part and tail part. Head is made by CH3 substance, tails are made by CH2 substance. So like that in every fat, what are there? Two important parts are there. That is the one is the head and tail. So now like this fashion only fats are there. Already know fats are different kind of fats are saturated, unsaturated fats are there. What are the unsaturated, what are the saturated, discuss later. So fats are the general definition of the fats. Fats are the lipids. Lipids are fats and their derivatives collectively called as lipids. The broad word. Lipids are basically classified into three main categories. There are number one, simple lipids, compound lipid, derived lipids. Lipids are classified into how many major groups? Three main major groups. There are number one, simple lipids, compound lipid, derived lipids. Simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. So already the name is indicated simple. Simple lipids mean now observe. So simple lipids are further classified into two main categories. That is the neutral fats, waxes. Simple lipids means generally listen here. Simple lipids means the diagram. Generally you observe this diagram. So observe this diagram. So triglycerides. What glyceride? This is a glyceride molecule. Glyceride. So glyceride bonds are attached to the fat. Fatty acid. Fatty acid. Fatty acid. See the fatty acid. Triglycerides. Tri mean every simple molecule, simple lipids contain one glycerol molecules. This is attached with other three different fatty acids. So that's why the simple lipids are also called as triglyceride. Generally, simple all lipids present in the form of triglyceride. Why they are called triglycerides? So because of glycerol is attached with other three important fats, that's why they are commonly called as triglycerides. All are called as simple lipids. The simple lipids are generally further classified into two main categories. They are of number one, neutral fats and waxes. They are further classified into two main categories. That is the neutral fats and waxes. So generally, which simple fats at the room temperature present in the form of liquid in nature, they are all come under neutral fats. Neutral fats are in the room temperature, they are present in the form of liquid in nature. If in the room temperature it is present in the form of solid, they are called as waxes. Waxes are present in the form of solid in nature. Neutral fats are present in the form of liquid in nature. Generally, you are using all edible oils. All edible oils present in the form of liquid in nature. So that's why they are called the neutral fats. All oils, edible oils, like groundnut oil, so whatever it may be, rice bran oil, sunflower oil, soybean, castor oils, when they are crushing, through the crushing what happens? Triglycerides are come extracted. They are present in the form of at the room temperature, liquid in nature. That's why they are neutral fats. So which fats are present in the form of solid? They are come under waxes. Two different kind of simple fats are there. Neutral fats, waxes. What is neutral fats? Which simple fats are present in the form of liquid in nature at room temperature? They are called as simple fats. So which simple fats are present in the form of solid in nature at room temperature? They are called as waxes. Solids, like it only differentiation. So all our waxes are also triglycerides. Simply all oils also present in the triglyceride. Triglyceride means already you know this is the one glycerol attached with three fatty acids. So this what happened? Triglycerides are formed. So now listen here. These neutral fats further classified into two main categories: simple fats, mixed fats. Simple fats, mixed fats. What is simple fats means? Now listen here. Simple fats, neutral fats are also classified into two main categories: simple fats, mixed fats. Simple fats means which you know like triglyceride. In these three fatty acids are there. These three fatty acids are belong to the same type of three fats are attached to the glycerol. They are called the simple fats. If one glycerol attached with different kind of fatty acids, they are called as mixed fats. Mixed fats means what is a mixed fat? Glycerol attached to the different kind of fatty acids. They are called the mixed fats. The glycerol is attached with similar type of fatty acid. They are called simple fats. So like that, simple fats are classified into two main categories: neutral fats, waxes. Neutral fats are present at room temperature. They are present in liquid in nature. Waxes are present in solid in nature. Neutral fats are classified into two main categories: simple fats, mixed fats. So compound lipids. What is compound lipid here? Is that compared to simple, they are developed. Development complexity is more increased, not developed here. Compound lipids means additionally triglycerides. Triglycerides are the commonly present in fats. Additional to these triglycerides, triglyceride molecules are attached with other compounds like phosphorus group containing compounds or carbohydrate group compounding. So that's why they are called as compound lipid. Here what happened? Simple means triglycerides only called as simple lipids. So other than triglycerides are already there, the triglycerides are attached with other molecules. Then what happened? Compound lipids are formed. The compound lipids are further categorized into two main categories: phospholipids, glycolipids. It means if the one compound lipid is attached with phospholipid, they are called as phospholipids. Phosphor group. Phospholipid, what is there? Lipids are attached with phosphor. They are called as phospholipid. So now glycolipids. Lipids are attached with carbohydrate form. Glyco means carbohydrate form. Lipids are attached with carbohydrate forms. They are forming glycolipids. The lipids are attached with phosphor. They are called as phospholipids. Like that, compound lipids are further classified into main categories on the place of attachment in nature. So compound means triglycerides are attached with other compounds. If they are attached with phosphor, they are called as phospholipids. If the triglycerides are attached with carbohydrate part, they are called as glycolipids. So like that, compound lipids are further categorized into two main categories: phospholipids and glycolipids. So now derived lipids. Through the metabolism, when the metabolism, fatty acid metabolism or lipid metabolism takes place, what is the main important lipids? Simple lipids, compound lipids. The simple lipids metabolism time or compound metabolism time formed all sublipids are called as derived lipids. The derived means develop, formed. How they are formed? Through the destruction of simple lipid or through the destruction of compound lipid. Derived lipids are formed. So they are further classified into two main groups. They are fatty acids and sterol. The fatty acids are further classified into main groups: saturated fatty acid, unsaturated fatty acid. Sterol means here. So it is alcohol. Solid alcohol is called as sterol. Sterol is nothing but solid alcohol. So fatty acids already you know, they are unsaturated, saturated, like that. The completely fats are, lipids are basically classified into main categories: simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids. Simples are neutral fat, laxatives. Compounds are phospholipids, glycolipids. Derivatives are fatty acid, sterol. Sterols are nothing but, what is sterol here? Alcohol, solid alcohol is called as sterol. So like that, fatty acids, general information and classification about the fats. Thank you.